Hi, in this video we are going to be covering logarithm to the base of a. Now let's consider the rule. If y is equals to a to the power of x, now over here a is our base and x is the power. Then if we want to convert this exponential form to a log form, then x being the power will be equal to log to the base a of y. For example, if we have y equals to 2 to the power of x and we want to convert this into the log form, then x being the power would be equal to log to the base 2 of y. Now, the conditions for log to the base a of x to be defined are as following. The base must be greater than 0 and must not be equal to 1. And this value x over here must be greater than 0. It cannot be a negative number because log of a negative number is not defined. When these two conditions are satisfied, then we can say that the log of a number is defined. So log of 2 of minus 4 is not defined at all because this number has to be greater than 0. Log a of a is 1. Okay, so if we convert this into exponential form, the base is a to the power of 1. A, which is the base, to the power of 1 is equal to a. And if we convert this into the log form, then log to the base a of a is 1. That's the rule. So for example, log to the base of 5 is also 1. Log to the base of 3 is also 1. The second rule is log to the base a of 1 is 0. So why is this? Because a, if we convert this into an exponential form, a to the power of 0 is equals to 1. So log to the base a of 1, the answer is always going to be 0. For example, log to the base 5 of 1 is 0. Log to the base of 3 of 1 is equal to 0. Okay, log to the base a of a to the power of x is equals to x. Now, the reason being, if we convert this into an exponential form, a to the power, the base to the power of x comes out to be equal to a to the power of x, which is true. So this means that if we are going to convert this log to the base 5 of 2, the answer is going to be 2, the power. Log to the base of 9 to the power of 3 is going to be just 3. And then x equals to a log a to the power of x. So for example, if we have 5 to the power of log to the base 5 of 3, the answer is going to be equal to 3. Log a, the number, raised to a power of a log, that is log a to the power of x, the answer is always going to be equal to this power, which is x. Okay, let's look at few questions. Convert 2 to the power of 4 equals to 16 to log form. If you want to convert this into log form, the base is 2. So log to the base 2 of 16 will give us the power 4. Part B says convert log to the base 7 of 49 equals to 2 to an exponential form. So we know that 7 is the base. If we raise it to the power of 2, the answer is going to be equal to 49. That's the exponential form. Okay. The next question says find the value of log 381. So log 3 of 81 can be expressed as 3 to the power of 4. So log of base 3 of 3 to the power 4 is simply going to be equal to 4. Log to the base 2 of 128. Now 128 can be expressed as 2 to the power of 7. So log to the base 2 of 2 to the power of 7, the result is just 7. Log to the base 4 of 1 upon 16 can be expressed as 4 to the power of minus 2. 1 upon 16 can be expressed as 4 to the power of minus 2. So the result is just going to be negative 2. Part D says log 2 of x minus 1 equals to 4. Now this is a log equation. We need to solve for x, so we can convert this into the exponential form. The base 2 raised to the power of 4 is equal to x minus 1. So x is going to be equal to 2 to the power of 4 plus 1. And we can evaluate this using the calculator. 2 to the power of 4 is 16. So 16 plus 1 is 17. Log to the base 3 of 2x plus 1 is equal to 2. So if we convert this into an exponential form, then the base 3 to the power of 2 is going to be equal to 2x plus 1. So 2x is equal to 9 minus 1, that is 8, and x comes out to be 4. Part F says log to the base 3 of log 2 of x equals to 1. So 3 to the power of 1 should be equal to log 2 of x. And if we rewrite this as log 2 of x equals to 3, again we convert this into the exponential form, then 2 to the power of 3 must be equals to 8. Therefore, x is equals to 8. Thank you for watching this video.